Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to change language in Taobao shopping app. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure only on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to change language in Taobao shopping app. So listen. So if you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to download this particular app. But in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. So what I'm going to do is to head over to my Play Store right here. Then I'll get it to my Play Store, I'll make use of search app, and I will type in Tab Translate. Then I'll click on search. Now this is the app we need to download right here. Tap to translate screen. And as at the time of making this video, this app here has been downloaded about 1 million plus people. Okay. Now, what are the things you can do with this app? So this app here allows you to translate image, Chinese to whatever language, or choose any type of language you may decide to translate to with just tap on the screen. Now, after you have successfully downloaded and installed the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Open. Alright, so it's take you to this particular page. Now, how do you use this particular app to translate your Taobao to whatever language of your choice? The first thing you need to do is to set your preference language. So this place should be Chinese, while this one is going to be your preferred language rather. Okay, now I'm going to click on here. So let's say, for instance, I want to change my Taobao app from Chinese to Arabic. I will simply choose Arabic right here, just like so. Next thing I need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this particular button. Then I'll click on Accept. And I'll click on Start. The app is ready for translation, just like so. Next thing I need to do, as you can see right here, so this is the tab to translate. The next thing we want to do here is to exit from the app. Then we still have the app on our phone screen, like this. Now I have to head over to my Taobao shopping app. So this is my Taobao shopping app, so I'm going to click on it. Now if you open up your Taobao shopping app, for you to use this app to translate to whatever language of your choice, remember you have to choose your preferred language before you can use it successfully. Next thing we want to do here, after you open your Taobao shopping app, just tap on this particular symbol right here, this icon, just click on that.